The stumbling test. Listen to a premiere of your text live and pay special attention to whether your test reader stumbles or loses his or her pace. Ask someone to read your text aloud to you. Don't provide any preparation time. The reading should be completely spontaneous. The reader will try not to get stuck, jump back to the top, or get distracted, but instead will try to read your text through for you. Pay attention to the reading flow and to the sound of the reader's voice. Where does the voice hesitate? What is stressed oddly? When does the reader seem to lose focus, sound flat, or get tangled up in the words? Don't interrupt, don't answer any questions, and don't offer any explanations. Just ask your reader to read the text all the way to the end. Don't make any notes either, just keep the wobbly bits in mind. These are the parts you need to check on afterwards. Why does reading aloud reveal gaps, inconsistencies, and contradictions in a text? In such an activity, the brain has to distribute its language processing resources among understanding and articulating. This works best when a text continuously answers the questions that the reader is asking him or herself while reading. However, if the eye suddenly encounters something completely unexpected, then the effort to understand the text increases, which reduces the resources available for articulation. If your test reader had been reading silently, he or she would probably have lost the thread of argument in your text at this point and be thrown off track.